Hey. Hey guys, what is up? This is aired this in October. Yes, I look weird. That's because I'm wearing Noxema, as you can see, because I saw like a bump and I'm like, honey, you've got to go now. Okay, so basically this video is going to be about me talking about my skincare routine and basically how I went from having a bunch of dark spots and bumps on my face to looking mostly clear. And basically now the dark spots have faded. And to be honest, if I had just listened to everyone around me, my face would have been clear years ago, literally. Okay, so basically I'm gonna go and give you guys like the story of like what happened. So I'm gonna go sit down right quick. Let's get comfortable, my children. Get comfortable for the story. Okay, so basically when I was younger, I think I started getting acne around elementary, probably maybe 5th grade, probably. I know because I used to get bullied for it. But yeah, I had like a bunch of dark spots. I had like a bunch of, you know, pimples like all over my face. I even had like acne, which really sucks. And then, you know, as a kid, you know, you kind of like, oh, it's itchy, and you're sitting there scratching at it, and the big tooth like under your nails gets, you know, in it and infects it even more, and it just becomes inflamed and all that kind of mess. Like, I think you guys know what I'm talking about. At some point or another, you've probably been like, oh my gosh, it's annoying, and you try to pick it yourself and it just does not go well. So basically, I tried different kind of skincare regimens when I was younger. I didn't really stick to any of them. I guess that my mindset was probably that a guy will like me for who I am, which is a great mindset. But I was also like lazy, like I don't feel like following these routines anymore. So there was a bunch of different ones I've tried, popular ones. I've even gone to like different spas and got like little spa treatments, like I think like a chemical peel, which may have helped a tiny bit. But yeah, when I started getting older, probably high school maybe, I think I started to care a little bit more. I should have been like more proactive when it came to, oh, that's one of the products I tried, Proactive. I can't really tell you like how I feel about the product because I don't recall like how consistently I used it, but not consistently enough. But I wish I would have listened to those around me, like, hey, stop messing with your face, drink more water, follow the dermatologist. I don't think I went to the dermatologist though until I was maybe in high school. Probably like late middle, early high school maybe. I think that's when I went to the dermatologist with my mom. So I think that's when she took me to try to get my face cleared up. Different products that they had. Actually, I believe it was somewhere in high school too that things were getting better for my face and my face was clearing up nicely and all that, but then there were some setbacks. So, you know, one moment my face is doing great, and the next moment I tried something new, like, you know, like a new face wash. So I tried Biore. I think it had like the little blue micro balls or whatever in it. I tried it, and major setback on my face. It was freaking terrible. My face was doing so well, and then I tried Biore, and then like that, my face just was like, nah, we can't do this. And so then I was back at square one. It's like I took 10 steps forward just to take like 50 steps back, and it really sucked. Later on, get my face back together. Everything's going well, and then I needed another dark spot cream, I believe. So I tried Ambi. You know, take 5 steps forward just to take 25 steps backwards. Again, terrible. So it's like I got my face just about clear again, and then that happened. And then I think a time after that I was like, okay, I'm not gonna do any more of that. But then I thought, oh, my face is looking so good and whatnot that I don't even need to, I guess you could say I kind of forgot to have my medicine refilled, and then my skin just kind of like start going like that, and I'm like, oh my gosh, that sucks. And because my thing is, I didn't know, I really do not know if I had to be like, if I have to like keep refilling the medicine and always have to refill it in order to have it on my face, even when I don't have any bumps or anything like that. I have no idea. I guess I'll see soon enough, because my face has been doing really good, and my breakouts are like, I don't even think I get breakouts anymore. I think I just get like I think I just get like a bump here or there every now and then. Like I have one I'm trying to take care of with this Noxzema right now. The doctors also used to give me like a pill to take years ago. Yeah, that I guess I really couldn't take that in my stomach, so I had to stop doing that. But over time, you know, I was able to figure out what worked for me. I'm not sure if you guys saw or not, my previous videos, like the ones from around the time I first started this channel, I believe, was when I was using aloe. And that was basically, I believe, before my newest skincare routine stuff. So I believe it was shortly after I did those videos that I went to the dermatologist again. And basically they gave me a different type of medicine to use, and I'm gonna get it so you guys can see it. So this right here is Epidural Forte, and you use this at nighttime, and you put like on the, you know, bumps wherever that you have. And then this right here was a decent bleaching cream, way cheaper than the one that they were gonna have me get at the CVS, and I was not about to have that. So I went ahead and got me some black and white bleaching cream, which is pretty good. And that you use that at nighttime for the dark spots. Oops. Okay, so yeah, so basically that's what I would use. That's technically what I'm using right now on my face. And the Noxzema has kind of cleared up a bit, so you guys can like kind of see the fact that, to be honest, it looks so much better. And family has been telling me the fact that, you know, my face looks so much better than what it used to look like. My back knee basically went away years before this started to fade. I think because I just stopped messing with it, and actually I think I used Clean and Clear for my back, like a Clean and Clear body wash. I can't remember what it was called. I think it was like some kind of like a little orange body wash container. It's been years since I've used it, so all of that is gone. And I did use Clean and Clear on my face as a face wash, but then my doctor said I should use something that's much gentler. So I used like Vanicream moisturizer and face wash, but once I ran out of the face wash, I decided to just use like Johnson & Johnson baby shampoo. I know, you're probably like, baby shampoo? I mean, well, it's gentle on the skin, so I've been using it for like a long time and it works. And every now and then I use Noxzema. So yeah, I will post pictures here of like what I look like before and how my skin looks now. Like I'll probably just go in there, like rinse all of this off and like take a picture, like a current picture of like today versus like years ago. I'm trying to think about which picture I probably will show, because whenever I had, you know, the acne, like as soon as I was able to wear makeup, I would wear makeup, and like I probably didn't take too many pictures concerning like the stuff on my face because it was kind of embarrassing. But I'll show something here from like, I honestly don't think I have anything before, I don't know, I may have pictures from like 9th grade, but I don't know if I have any from like middle school, so we'll see. Anyways, yeah, basically what I'm trying to say is, for anyone who has acne, drink more water, keep your hands out of your face, probably go to the dermatologist and follow what they're saying. Try not to have like a bunch of like different new things you're trying to try, that you're trying to do, like for instance like a bunch of different chemicals, well not really chemicals, but like skincare products. Like I said, like I tried Biore and Ambi thinking that they would help, in substitute of the ones I was using, and they did nothing but destroy. Yeah, they did nothing to help my face at all, which is 2 setbacks that I had. But yeah, so if you can, try to stick with the routine and try not to keep switching up things. So yeah, I wish you guys luck, and if you can't take chemicals or certain products because you're allergic and you're afraid to try different things, like I said, go to the dermatologist. If you can't pay for a dermatologist, maybe try something natural. Like for instance, like I was telling you before, like I tried aloe. You know, try different skincare, stuff like that. Oh, and of course, drink lots of water. If you go out in the sun, I would say try to wear sunscreen, you know, protect your face a little bit more. Let's see, what else? Basically, things like that. And I really do wish you guys the best, and that hopefully these tips and tricks helped you guys. And so thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.